Good morning, you guys. It's Jacoby. Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show y'all what I eat in a day, vlog style. I'm so excited. I love food, so let's eat. So here's my lineup of like my supplements, but this is what I do to supplement my diet. So here I have my Sprouts organic flaxseed for like a dietary kind of deal, fiber. I have my protein powder. It's just like some vanilla whey protein. It's like it's gluten-free, stuff like that. So then right here I have my blender bottle that I bought like yesterday. And then I have my vitamins, one a day, Vitagraves for her. Okay, so here we are. We are going to make our protein shake before we go on our little walk. So we're gonna take our protein powder, which is the Publix Greenwise gluten-free vanilla flavor whey protein. It's 16 grams of protein per serving. What do you guys put in your protein shakes? Because I really have no idea. So we're gonna do 1 scoop in the bottle. Yes. Silk almond milk. It's vanilla flavored. So hopefully this works. I'm trying to cut out dairy, so we gotta cut it out where we can. Cup. I don't really know what a cup is, but that's what I got. Ooh. Why does it smell like that? Like, I don't know. It's good. So now we're gonna finish this protein shake and we're gonna go on a walk. So I'm about to go on my walk and here's my outfit, just like these, just like these Nike shorts, Nike sports bra, my Fitbit, Nike socks, Nike shoes. Okay, so I finished my walk. I did about a mile in about 20 minutes, just walking around, get a good sweat in, and according to Cambry Schroeder, I love her, and she's really in shape. So if you walk, it leans you out more instead of bulking, so that's what I want, so yeah. Also a physique update, I guess that's what you call it. Usually I'm a lot more toned than this, but I'm just now getting back into my workouts and my diet. So this is what I look like. This is the biggest I usually am year round, so yeah. Also check out how weird my butt looks in this. I don't know if I like these. Okay, so here's my breakfast, you guys. 2 pieces of honey wheat toast, 3 pieces of turkey bacon, and 3 whole eggs. Alright guys, honestly, I'm so confused because as y'all can see, this is what I look like right now. I don't know, super out of shape, honestly. But what I don't get is I gained 2 pounds. I'm 137 now, but I wear a 00 and jean skirts, so I'm just really confused. I think it's because my waist is really small, but did I get smaller but gain weight? Is that possible? I don't know. Please someone answer my question in the comments. Alright, so first we're gonna make the rice. So we have this Uncle Ben's boil in a bag, brown rice and 7% fat turkey, or ground turkey. It was cheaper and probably healthier, so. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Like this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.